that clear skin though. That clear skin. That's that F-Boy free glow. That's that I sleep well knowing nobody is cheating on me glow. This is that single ladies club glow, okay? Yes. What's up, you guys? It's Bre-Ashley and I'm back at you with another freaking video. And in today's video, I'm gonna give you a highly requested eyebrow tutorial. I attempted to make one in the past, you know, back when I was a little amateur. I'm still an amateur. That's tea. Okay, so first things first, you want to get yourself a really good eyebrow brush. Both of these brushes are dual-ended. This one came out of the Jeffree Star and Morphe set. I really like this brush. And then the other one is from JCat Beauty, and that's out of like the beauty supply store. This is probably $4. This came in a set that was $50. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows with the Jeffree Star eyebrow brush for right now. And Wild, and it's from their Pac-Man collection, and it is called Pinky. I am going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony, my pomade, and I'm going to zoom you guys in, and I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. Okay, let me see it up. Okay. Alright. So pretty much when I do my eyebrows, I try to have them looking as neat as possible. I haven't waxed recently, but I did tweeze a bit, so they're acceptable. Like, I'm not about to go do nothing else to them right now, but I could definitely stand a wax. I'm gonna brush all of my hairs in the direction that they should go. Okay, and then I'm gonna dip my brush in. I want to make sure my brush still remains thin and that the product is smooth and evenly distributed. And then what I'm gonna do is just follow. Look how thick my eyebrows are. Do you guys see how thick they already are? So I'm just going to follow my natural outline and where my natural arch should be. I'm not gonna ever take my product past this point on either, whether it's top or bottom. I'm not gonna take my brow, like my product, past this point. So I'm going to connect these hairs on top of my brow with the product. And then I'm going to bring the product down outside of all of those hairs. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this part stay natural. I'm not going to do anything with this. I'm not going to manipulate this part of my brow in any type of way. I'm just going to take the product from about here and create that arch at the bottom. I don't want my brows to be any thicker, really. I'm just going along with the shape of my brow. And anywhere that I feel is sparse, like this area right here, I'm going to try to create a brow stroke so it doesn't look, you know, like I have hair missing. I'm going to brush this out. And because I don't feel like, at this point in time, I feel like I need to sharpen it up a bit for the brow that I'm just feeling like having today. If I wasn't wearing any concealer or anything, I would still shape it up a bit up here. but I would leave it like this. I wouldn't do any concealer, but not today, sweetie. And now I'm just about to brush this out. It's gonna look so much better once I conceal. But what I did want to show you guys was, hold on, I found my mascaras. I keep my mascaras in this little Ipsy pouch that I got. So yeah, what I want to show you guys is what I do is I take a mascara. I like the plastic wand mascaras, and I take a brown black color and I go in softly like you would with a brow gel, and I just accentuate mainly the hairs in the front since I didn't even touch that. And then I'm going to do my best to hold down the hairs in the rest of the brow without making it clumpy. Yes? And so now that I've done that, I'm going to conceal. And for this, I'm just going to take a regular concealer brush, nothing special. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take my LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm actually gonna use the brush on the applicator. I'm gonna put it around the back of my hand though, and I'm gonna get it nice and smooth so that both sides are like flat. And I'm gonna conceal my brow. I'm gonna let that concealer sit for a little bit and let it get a little thick, and I'm gonna do my other brow. Like I said, brows are already thick. I'm really just connecting any sparse parts, like specifically here on the top. You see as the hairs are forming here, I'm gonna connect this with the product on the outside. I'm kind of missing some hairs here, so I'm just gonna help my arch in this area and define my arch on the bottom, but I'm never gonna touch the first section of my brow. I'm gonna let it do its thing. So I did this on a little thick. It be like that. I always struggle with this brow. And I think the main part of that is just because I need to wax my eyebrows. But I'm about to fix it with this concealer. Okay, y'all know my camera needs to take a break every now and then, poor baby. So boom, there we have it. My concealer has been sitting here for a good 5 minutes, like probably longer, but a good 5 minutes. Now I'm about to take this Morphe R32 brush. It's just like a dense synthetic brush that I use to blend out my concealer. Now you could go back in and you can make your line sharper. It's totally up to you how you want your brows to look. I don't want my brows to look like stamps. I want my brows to look like my natural thick brows that I wake up with every morning, except for they're just a little bit sharper, you know. So if I make a mistake on my brow, I'm just not even about to. Like this one, I kind of made a mistake, so my concealer isn't as sharp, but I'm not about to freak out over it. Like, my brows are too thick for something like that. But I love this concealer because it's like $3 at the beauty supply. It does what I need to do. It stays all day and it matches my skin tone very well. And I know y'all know about LA Girl, so this is nothing new. I am gonna go ahead and set this, and I'm gonna set it with my face powder. If I can find it. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna use Fit Me press powder in the shade 330. And all I'm gonna do is take my setting brush by Real Techniques. It's the 402 brush. I had to get a new one because I lost my old one. And I'm just gonna set this concealer so that it doesn't like crease up on me throughout the day. And that is that, you guys. You will see how the brows really just shape your face and they just make you look put together. I don't have no, you know, nothing, no other makeup on my face except for this lip gloss, and I feel like I'm just a lot more put together than I would have been if I would have just left the house like this today to go run all of my errands. Now I'm gonna let you guys see me put on some lashes, and these lashes of course are from Bre-Ashley Palace. Why would they not be? But I'm really supposed to let my hair mow down, but I'm such an impatient person that I don't even think I'm gonna give it that opportunity, especially because I don't have no scarves to hold it down with. But I just want to show you guys the finished look that I came up with. I'm not gonna put any foundation on today because this fuckboy free glow is priceless, baby. It's priceless, and I need it to remain. Do you hear me? I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I thank you so much for watching, and as always, I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next freaking video. Okay, bye.